Dude, they'll never know.
It's real bad.
That'll buff. Directly under the center of your truck. Bueno. That one's gonna lower the trade-in value, man. I'm gonna be honest. Oh yeah. Welcome to the rocker club. You got yours a hell of a lot better than I did. I didn't even see that you were gonna hit that either. Yeah, just keep your angle. All right, stop. Oh, you should be good. Not good.
Oh my God.
Not great.
That is horrible.
It's okay, the rock sliders will cover that. Oh yeah, no, you just hit the bottom side of it, you're good.
Ah, he's bad, man. Bad.
Dude, they'll never know.
Real bad.
That'll buff. Go straight. Okay, now crank up. Right in the dead center of the bumper. All right, you're gonna have to back up a little bit, try to get your tire here. I'm starting to think this is a bad idea.
Maybe we're in too deep on this.
Yeah. Okay, that looks good. Let's go straight. Okay, climb that side and turn once you get to the top. So come up. Up. All right, now turn that way. Yep, that's it. Now just straight, or not straight, this way. Yep. Okay, now just straighten up. I'm gonna have to back up a tad. Oh. All right, now keep slow and steady up. Yeah, you're gonna crunch that tire back there. It's gonna be tight. Yep. I was slightly over a tad bit more. I scraped the fuck out of it, but you're like there. Let's see. Stay there. this, but we got to get you over a tad. Maybe try to turn right while you go up a little bit. Not that way, but yeah. Okay. How you looking? All right, now straight or right? Might be a little too much, but your bumper's gonna hit a boulder. Yep. Straight and right. Or left. Yeah. Okay, slow. Slow. Slow, and then take right a little bit. Right. All right, you gotta, your rocker, you gotta turn left. If you don't, you're gonna smack your rocker like me. Yes. Good, but we're already in a decent position here. I say just go left very slowly, and I'll tell you if you're good. Nice, slowly. Now straighten out. Oh, you're chilling. You're good, but slowly. Okay, now right. You're like this far away from your rocker, so. Oh, shit. A little bit. Good. Now, just crank it all the way to the right. You're fucking smooth sailing, bud. Hopefully. Crank it right. And just straight. Straight. Perfect. All right, everybody. We fucked up and smashed the rocker panel. Pretty big. Yeah, we didn't see that rock, and I came around and smashed it right up. Come check it out. What do you think, Finn? So, there it is. Pretty much from there all the way back to there, smashed up. So, well, I'm gonna take full responsibility. It's my fault. I'm a dumbass, and I took the sliders off. So that's my fault. So, oh well. We're gonna relax a little bit and then keep going on this trail and see what's ahead of us. For some reason, that was the hardest obstacle, even though it looked the easiest. So, interesting day. All right, everybody. This is the spot where we turned around. We might be able to make this, but that's a really close call, and we already got some body damage on the rocker panels. If you could tell, we're just gonna have to squeeze real tight, and hopefully we don't shed a tire, but we are gonna hop up on the little bit easier trail called the Whoop-de-Doo roller coasters, and then kind of check out the scenery. It's kind of like a scenic drive. We still might find some obstacles, so stay tuned and see what we get into, but we are not going to be able to do this one because it's either this guy or a fat waterfall climb right there. So we're going to go right up the Loop-de-Doo waterfall, the Whoop-de-Doo roller coaster. It's either this fat waterfall climb or the tight squeeze, and we're not really thinking about doing the tight squeeze, but your boys' rocker panels are trashed. So All right, everybody, that's about it for today's video. Come check out the damage that we got on the trail. I am really bummed out. Parker's really bummed out. We should have stayed home, but we had fun, so come check out what happened here. All right, if you look at my rocker panel, it is utterly fucked. So that whole part of my rocker is totally smashed up into my doors. My door's luckily open, so that's nice, but big bummer on that one right there. Parker's is a little bit more of a bummer.
I'm in drive.
Okay, so that was about it. We really fucked up our shit, and it was fun. There's actually like some rock crawling areas out here in Arizona. Is an 8 out of 10 trail, and I'm stoked how the Chevy really performed. So I will see you guys next weekend. I love you guys so much. Take it easy. Bye.